Hello everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing and configuration video of our handheld thermal camera. This product fits perfectly small or medium environment installation as it is a high cost effective, only one compact device. It can measure the temperature of one person at 1 or 1.5 meter distance, take snapshot, record video and generate alarm if the temperature detected is higher than a pre-configured threshold. Let's have a look at the box now. In front you will find some of the functions indicated, and on the back, of course, you're going to find the product label. It is a TPC HT2201. Let's go to the unboxing now. Opening the box, on the right side we have this black box. Inside the black box we will find a breeze rope, USB data cable, a charger, and 5 conversion plugs. On the left, we have the camera itself. In the front, we have the thermal module with the operational resolution of 256 by 192 pixels, able to detect temperature from 30 to 45 Celsius degrees for human body temperature, with the margin of error in plus minus 0.5 Celsius degrees. Here we have the trigger button. During the live view you can press it twice to capture a snapshot or 3 times to start and stop a video recording. On the bottom we have a tripod interface, and on top, under this silicone cover, we have the charging indicator LED, the SD card slot and the USB port for charging and connect the camera to a PC. On the back of the camera we have the 240 by 320 pixel displays, the power button, the up and down button and the return button. Let's turn on the camera now. As you can see, we have in the top left the temperature unit. Next to it we can find the icon that shows us that the camera is working in head detection mode. Then we have the time, the SD card and the battery status. With the down arrow we can scroll the picture saved, and with the top arrow we can enter into the menu. Now, in the menu we can use the power button to confirm. Let's check the temperature setting first. I decided that I want to activate the center spot cursor and that I also want to activate the color bar. Then I can change the color of the bar. For emissivity we can keep the default value of 0.98. For distance let's keep the default value of 1 meter. And for unit, let's keep Celsius. Let's go back and enter in the temperature monitor menu. Here we can choose the temperature monitor mode. In this case, let's keep head detection. Then we can choose when the device needs to detect an alarm, and if you want to activate the buzzer or take a snapshot when the alarm is triggered. In this menu we can also change the environment temperature setting and have a temperature correction. If we go back, we can see on the side the color bar, in the middle we can see the center spot cursor, and on the bottom left the temperature detected in the center spot. Now let's get the camera to detect a person. As you can see, you have the face of the person in a green box that indicate that the temperature is below the alarm limit, and on the top left you also see the temperature of the person. If you press twice the triggered button, the camera will take a snapshot. Now, let's connect the camera to a PC. First of all, we need to enter in the menu, go to System Setting, then USB option, and select PC Preview Mode. In case we want to download the video and the image saved in the SD card, we can select USB flash drive mode. Okay, let's connect the camera to the computer now. On the computer we already have installed our software DH Thermal. Let's connect the camera through USB. As you can see, you have the live view of the camera on your screen. On the bottom over here you have the opportunity to take a snapshot or to record the video. Now, let the camera detect an alarm. We set the threshold really low to 36.3, and you will see that on the left over here, when an alarm is triggered, a snapshot will be taken and you will have a sound alarm. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.